Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Photopea tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm showing you guys how you can make these like speed lines. I think they're like anime speed lines or something like that, but you know what I'm talking about. I'm putting it up on the screen right here. And so that's what we're going to be making today. It's super easy. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is just make a new project real quick, and I'm just going to leave it as 1280 by 720 and hit create. Now what you want to do is unlock this background layer and click this little eyeball next to the background to hide it, so you can have the transparent background, so that when we export this, you will only see the speed lines and not the background. So now what you want to do is go over to your pen tool on the left side. It looks like this. And what you want to do is go up here to fill, change that color to white preferably, but it's up to you. And you can leave everything else the same. So now we're ready to get started. So I'm just going to start out up here. What you want to do is just left click like above the canvas, go somewhere down here, left click again, and then go like right up next to the first point, left click again, and then click the starting point. So now you can see we got the first line there, and basically you just want to repeat that throughout the entire thing, but you want to change the sizes and widths and all that, maybe turn the opacity down on some of them. So I'm going to speed this up a bit, and I'm going to be making some other lines. And if you mess up, just hit Ctrl Z and it'll go back to the last point you made. Okay, I'm done. So now you can see if I put the background back on, we got the speed lines. I know it's kind of, it's not as good as the other one I made because I was just trying to hurry up and finish it so you guys can see what it looks like. So that's all you got to do. You just got to make all the lines. And something else you can do is if you hold shift while you click on like the bottom shape to the top shape, or you can hit control and click all of them, it'll select every one of them. So if you right click on one of them, you can just hit merge layers and it'll make it one shape. And what you can do is you can double click on that shape, go to outer glow. I'm going to change the color to like a light blue, like that. And change the blend mode to color dodge. Turn the opacity up to 100 and turn the spread and size up. So it looks like this. It kind of, I don't know why it disappeared on the background, but it has a cool like effect to it. Also, when you're ready to export this so you can use it later, go up to File, Export as PNG. It has to be a PNG. So the background will be transparent. Just hit save and now you're done. And that's basically how you do it. Super easy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.